Welcome to MarineMax Russo in beautiful Hingham, Massachusetts. Today we're going to take a look at a very versatile boat from Boston Whaler. It is the 150 Super Sport, and let's start aft. Powered by a 60 horsepower command thrust Mercury 4-stroke. It is a lot of motor to move this boat very neatly on the water. Moving forward, bench seat aft, grab rails starboard and port, or actually port and starboard. At the helm you have RPM tachometer, you have controls forward, neutral, reverse. We have a cooler seat that will keep your fish and beverages cold all day. Forward we have port starboard lighting, cleat just below, and ample storage for anchor and other items that you might want on the boat for a day on the water. Bow rail, cup holders. This is really a big little boat from Boston Whaler. Come on down to see us at MarineMax in Hingham, Massachusetts, or give us a call at area code 781-875-3619. We'd love to show you this boat as well as other great boats that we have on the property and in our inventory. Thank you so much for watching.